Bloody hell, we're back. We've been a long time since we've done one of these videos. We've been getting quite a high demand of people asking where I am on Instagram and that, why we stopped doing them. So I thought we'll start back this year with a new video and straight onto a nice decent roof. So it's a hipped roof, it's got a floating hip, it's got a valley rafter in there, on the side of a double storey wraparound extension. It's tied into an existing roof, so it's a decent roof. The lads stripped the roof off on Friday and sheeted everything up, so there was no messing around this morning, and they put a small section of the ceiling in, so we've got like a platform to work off as soon as we get there. So as soon as I get there, I'm going to start setting the hips out, and then they're just going to follow me around in Philly. Can't wait for this one, absolutely can't wait. Hold on, try and get my glove on. How are you going to get that up to me from there? Ready? Yeah, I want to pull this, put me on. Well, I thought you were going to come up the ladder with it. Come on. I thought, can I get bigger than that? Not doing that, mate. Tell you that now. Oh, come on. Quick, Chris. Chris is slipping, mate. Get your weight on it. Told you not doing this, mate.
Ready? Pull it towards now.
I can't get it. 3, 2, 1.
And again.
3, 2, 1.
Don't down. All the way. Pull it right down.
It's gonna be 3, 2, 1, 3. Fucking hell. I'm never doing it that way again in my life. Oh. Come on.
1 sec.
Chuck it, hold that in there, mate. What? Quick. Yeah, babe. Don't pull it up, you hold on to it, yeah? Don't pull it up slightly.
Go try that, Mike. Someone said to me, chuck your finger off work. I was like, oh, fair dude, but chopping your finger off cooking, man.
And taking
That's
fucking...
horrendous.
Oh, what's that off now? It's got to be
2 weeks.
3 weeks, hasn't it, really?
3 weeks, is it?
4 weeks this week.
4 weeks, mate.
Christmas Eve.
Brian, what did I do when I have my finger? When I cut my finger off in a circular?
Cry.
I didn't cry. What arm do I have off?
You know, he said to me,
Is your bone hanging out like, yeah?
Yeah.
You know, he said to me, his finger's pitching up. I was finishing off a roof. He went, he's holding his hand down. He went, oh, you've cut your finger, haven't you? And I told you not to use the circular saw with gloves on. He went, And he stood there anyway. He took me to the hospital. I went, can you just sit in the van and wait for me while I finish this roof?
Tight ass. Leave you bleeding for dead, will Leave you bleeding for dead.
Going all white, and I was fucking, I was finishing the roof off. rig, hips, ground sparring, lay boards all set out. We've started filling in the face side here. Tomorrow when we get back, Mike and Dan are going to start infilling all the sides of the roof where the lay boards are. Me and Chris are going to set the back out, so come around the back here, guys. So we've got a rig that's going to be tying directly at the centre of this room, directly into that hip there, and this is going to have a hip roof, two hips coming off the side of it as well. So we're hoping to get all this section in tomorrow, and we're just going to try and fill as much as we can. Yeah, don't worry, I'll treat you like I always treat you. Treat the lads like I always treat them.
Don't start that.
That's for everyone this weekend tonight. I'm happy. You'd be crying, mate.
Aye.
You're reaching. Just setting out the ridge, buddy. Who's he on the fucking phone to? Oi! Off the phone. Where's our nail guns?
Nail gun in the back.
We'll get our nail guns out in a minute.
I've only got one normal nail gun with us.
That's the fucking cause. It's my favourite come with one, isn't it?
That's the wet weather, no, everything looks brand new. Oi.
Hey, Jack's corners look fucking mint till I got hold of it. That.
Gleaming, wasn't it?
Gleaming.
Need to wipe down.
You know, we just wreck everything, don't we?
It's the wet weather, like I said to you on Saturday, right? You take the chance to hire. You know, with your air blower.
Once we've got everything set out, mate, I want it to go round.
2 nails and everything.
Hangers, 2 nails and everything, bolt everything up.
Like a bolt this up. Everything's in
Wait till we
place.
finish the front here, get the front finished, and then we'll go from bolting up then.
Yeah.
Put our battery from there.
What?
Nice, it's a valley, a lay board again.
Lay board again.
Yeah. Lay board again. I'm not putting it, you can't get.
Clock's
you
recording, just clocked
you
you.
can't get a valley rafter there. If I was to get a valley rafter to this corner now,
Yeah.
I'd have to chop this whole thing, the roof out.
Yeah.
So what's propping these hips up, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Fucking that bit of brickwork there.
No, in it, stay here.
Nah, it's got a lay board going down.
Right.
I only spoke to the engineer anyway, and he said,
I'll just put them off for the time being anyway. I can split
the
them
engineer
for
did say, about time, I spoke to someone that actually knows what they're talking about. You know what I mean? Then Mike was in the back going, across here just so it's proper secure, you know what I mean? Right, so that is it for today. The rain's coming now, so we're just making sure everything's sheeted up. We've pretty much done quite well so far on this roof. We should have it done tomorrow. I need about probably 4 or 5 hours on it to get everything done. That's including the bolts, the hangers. The ceiling's got to go in here. I've just got this small section, these 2 hips to set on this small section of roof to fill. But yeah, it's looking quite good. So on is also we've got to get the lay board in on the far left corner there and infill that with some jack rafters. But tomorrow this should be finished, ready for the roofers on Monday. But yeah, I'm going to sheet everything up now. I'm going to call it a day. I'm going to go and do some inside work.
7:59 a.m.
Right, so that's it. Another roof fully done, fully complete, fully built, ready to hand over to Joe and the team in the morning so they can get this felt battering and start looking at getting it watertight. We are heading over to another roof now, which is a flat roof, which will be tomorrow Thursday, and we're going to start cracking on with that one. But again, if you like what you see, guys, please like, subscribe. I'll see you all in another video.